Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Tired of saying goodbye all the time? Ever wondered if there are other, more interesting ways to bid farewell in English? Well, you're not alone. Many English learners and even native speakers find themselves stuck in the rut of using the same old goodbye. But don't you worry, there's a whole world of farewells waiting to be discovered. Today, we're going to delve into a variety of alternatives to goodbye, ranging from casual, playful, to even formal. By using these different phrases, you'll not only make your conversations more dynamic and engaging, but you'll also leave a lasting impression. Whether you're ending a casual chat with a friend, signing off a business meeting, or just wanting to add a touch of playfulness to your farewells, these phrases will equip you with just the right words for the occasion. So, ready to break free from the monotony of goodbye? Let's dive into the world of farewells and discover some exciting new ways to say goodbye. When chatting with friends or family, a casual goodbye is often the best way to go. But sometimes, it can feel a bit too formal or stilted, especially in a relaxed or familiar setting. So let's explore some alternative casual farewells that you can use in these situations. One of the most common is, "see you later." This phrase is pretty versatile and can be used in a wide range of casual situations. It's a friendly way of saying that you're leaving, but you expect to see the person again soon. It's like you're saying, "I'm going now, but our paths will cross again in the near future." Another great casual farewell is, "catch you later." This one is a bit more playful and informal. It's like you're saying, "I'm leaving, but I'll catch up with you later." It's a fun phrase that adds a touch of personality to your farewell. "I'm off" is another casual way to say goodbye. It's a straightforward way of announcing that you're leaving. It's like you're saying, "I'm leaving now. I have places to be or things to do." This phrase is particularly useful when you're in a hurry or when you're leaving a casual gathering. You might have noticed that these phrases have something in common. They all convey a sense of future connection. They're saying, "Yes, I'm leaving now, but we'll see each other again." This is a key aspect of casual farewells. They're not final. They're just temporary pauses in the conversation. But remember, context is key. These phrases might not be appropriate in more formal settings or situations where a more definitive farewell is required. And, of course, the tone and mood of the conversation can also influence which farewell is most suitable. So the next time you're wrapping up a casual chat, try one of these phrases. You might find that it feels more natural and fitting than a simple goodbye. Remember, the key to using these phrases effectively is to match the tone and mood of the conversation. Looking to add a bit of fun to your farewells? Try these playful alternatives to goodbye. Let's dive into some fun and lighthearted ways to bid adieu. One of the most common playful farewells is bye-bye. It's a fun, casual way to say goodbye, often used among friends or in relaxed situations. You could imagine saying bye-bye with a smile as you wave to a friend from across the room, or after a fun casual chat with a colleague. It's a phrase that brings a touch of joy and playfulness to parting ways. Next up is "see ya." This is a casual, shortened version of "see you later," and is perfect for when you plan to see the person again soon. It's often used among younger people and has a very relaxed and friendly feel to it. So the next time you're leaving a get-together with friends, why not bring out a cheerful "see ya" as you head out the door? And then we have "toodle-oo." This phrase, while less commonly used, is a fun and quirky way to say goodbye. It's a British phrase that's found its way into American English, often used in a humorous or cheeky context. It's a great way to add a little character to your farewells and leave people with a smile on their face. Keep in mind, these phrases are quite informal and best used in casual conversations or with people you're comfortable with. They might not be appropriate for more formal or professional settings, but they're excellent for adding a dose of fun and lightness to your everyday interactions. Using playful farewells like these not only makes your conversations more engaging, but also helps you stand out in a crowd. They show your personality, your sense of humor, and your ability to keep things light and enjoyable. So the next time you're saying goodbye, why not try one of these phrases on for size? These phrases are a great way to show your playful side and leave a lasting impression. A scene script. In a business meeting or formal setting, it's important to choose your words carefully. Here are some professional alternatives to goodbye. In the world of business, first impressions matter, but the last words you utter in a conversation can leave an equally strong impact. They can set the tone for future interactions, conveying a sense of respect and professionalism. So let's take a look at some formal farewells that can help you make a lasting impression. First up, we have take care. This phrase is a gentle reminder that you value the other person's well-being. It's a way of saying, I care about you and wish you well until we meet again. It carries a warmth that can help forge strong professional relationships. Next on our list is have a great day. This phrase is a wonderful way to end a conversation on a positive note. It's like giving a verbal pat on the back, a small token of encouragement that can brighten up the other person's day. Then we have until we meet again. This phrase is a bit more formal than the others. It's often used in professional settings where the interactions are infrequent. It's a way of saying, I look forward to our next meeting. This phrase can convey a sense of anticipation and respect for the future interaction. And lastly, we have, it was nice meeting you. This phrase is perfect for situations when you've just met someone for the first time. It indicates that you appreciated the interaction and are open to meeting again. It's a polite and professional way to signal the end of a conversation. Remember, how you say goodbye can say a lot about you. It can reflect your personality, your professionalism, and your respect for others. So choose your words wisely. Practice these phrases and use them in your next formal interaction. You might be surprised at how such a small change can make a big difference. Use these phrases to leave a positive, lasting impression in any formal setting. So, we've covered a lot of ground today, haven't we? We dove into the world of farewells, exploring how to say goodbye in English in a variety of ways. From the laid-back charm of casual farewells like "see you later" and "I'm off," to the friendly, playful nature of phrases like "bye-bye" and "see ya," we've seen how these alternatives can add a touch of personality to our conversations. We also dipped into the realm of formal goodbyes, where phrases like "take care" and "have a great day" can leave a lasting impression in a business setting. These alternatives to goodbye allow us to express ourselves more naturally, making our conversations more engaging and memorable. Remember, the key is to pick the right phrase for the right situation. Tailoring your farewell to the context can make all the difference. The next time you want to say goodbye, remember these alternatives. You'll not only sound more natural and fluent in English, but you'll also make your conversations more interesting and engaging.
Let's learn new words and practice English at level A2. Catch you later, a casual way to say that you'll see the person again soon. Example, instead of goodbye, you can say, catch you later, when leaving a friend. Take care, a friendly way to wish someone well as you part ways. Example, saying take care shows that you care about the person's well-being. See you around, a relaxed way of saying goodbye, often used when you expect to see the person again. Example, when leaving, you can say, see you around, if you're likely to run into them again. Have a good one, a casual way to wish someone a good day or evening. Example, you can say, have a good one, as a friendly goodbye when ending a conversation. Later, a very informal and short way to say goodbye, often used with friends. Example, instead of saying goodbye, you can simply say, later.